Hello and welcome to a new challenge. Today I will do Excel BI's challenge number 260. It looks like something you could do with MAKEARRAY. So I've downloaded the case here. We should generate the given grid. So here all the letters, uppercase letters there, and from row to row shift them by one. I think MAKEARRAY is a good choice here. You will see why in a second, and if you are familiar with MAKEARRAY, please check out the video on my channel. I will link it in the description and in the corner on the right side. So MAKEARRAY, both rows and columns here, and then I get lambda A and B. Now I want to have A and B to show it to you, concatenated with a delimiter in between. So, and now you can see here that I could possibly work with that, because I can now do something like B plus 1 minus A. And now I get here, everywhere, I get here a descending thing, because here B is my column value and A is my row value, and therefore if I take minus A and plus 1, because I don't want here a negative value, then I get there an number, and now I can add 64, not here, behind the bracket, 64. And if I now use it in a char function, you will see I will get here chars and also other things. And now let's return to normal. I can use here also for example, let function, or use this here, so let m, and now if m is larger than 0, then I want m, otherwise I will have nothing here. Then I add here m plus 64, otherwise nothing, and then I'll use the char function here. We have errors here because you will make a char out of nothing. You can also do here like a space or something. I think space is char number 10. Yeah, looks right. I don't think that there are spaces here, but no one will ever know. So we could also use here, for example, an IFERROR function also, and I think this is the way I will go, to don't have there any spaces. And you see here it's solved. It's also 100% adaptable. For example, if I make this with 8 or only with 4 characters, it will work also. H. And then input it here. It's one of these shorter ones, I think. Here also, WIC is a wonderful formula. Yeah, but also we have some longer formulas there. So, thank you for attention. I hope to see you in the next video.